This is Chandrasekhar, astrologer. I am going to reveal the next Parigara for Mars. The person who is affected by Mars Graha in their horoscope should visit Palani. They should visit on Monday and should have a darshan on Tuesday, Uchikala Abhishekam at Hill Temple. But before doing that, they should visit Thiru Avinankudi in downstairs of the Palani Hill and should pray to the Lord there. After praying the Lord only, they should visit the hill temple and should sit in the Uchikala Abhisheka before God. After worshipping, they should see the temple Kalasa from the hill temple. That is enough to get rid of Mars trouble. Thank you.